Come in. Hi, Kathy. What's up?
Pastor, I don't understand what a heart for his harvest means.
It means we should use our talents for the Lord.
How do I do that?
Well, at our church we have 26 ministry teams that you can minister in, such as ushering, teaching, or choir, just to name a few.
What else is there?
We have an all-church effort on Saturdays where we pass out invitations to the church.
I know all church effort is important, but I just don't have time to hand out the tracts.
Well, you can pass out tracts anytime, anywhere, to anyone.
To whom?
You can give them to relatives, friends, family, even a waiter at a restaurant, all the time, everywhere.
So what are you getting at?
The Bible teaches that we should use our abilities to reach the unsaved people of the world all the time, everywhere. That's our theme.